way bigger than I expected. Especially that.
Yeah.
Is that going to be the...
It's 42 inches. It was either that or go with another Spectra, and I didn't want to do that.
Okay.
Alright, let's go get
Anyway, to answer your question, it's the water maker. A Seawater Pro. Then lady. Hey, somebody take this. Okay. Huh.
No, that is a freshwater flush.
Oh. What's that?
Oh, the pump.
Okay. Holy crap, where's that going?
You'll have to go with the old one.
This is what I'm worried about. These are bigger than our current ones, which I'm assuming is why it can do a lot more water per hour. I mean, that's as tall as me almost.
Almost.
Holy smokes, that's not going to fit in the bilge.
Yes. I can make it work.
Are you nervous at all about this?
Yep.
Especially...
We'll make it work.
Okay. Oh, my back.
What are you doing?
Well, since somebody has to work and pay for all this nonsense, somebody is going to have to help them take all the old stuff out. I can't put the new stuff in because I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I can rip the old stuff out.
Yep.
Alright, so I don't need to take that out?
Not yet, no.
I do need to take this out?
Yep.
Okay.
Don't over tighten it. So the idea is these are going to get mounted onto that. That's halfway up in there. The feed in and the feed out are going to be here. The pump's going to be here. I'm not sure where I can put the control panel yet. This is where the old water maker was, and this is just the right size to get underneath here. And we certainly ain't got anywhere else to put them, so I've got to make it work in here somehow. That should work. Or at least that's what I'm hoping will work. I was really hoping that I could actually get this down in here, but unfortunately it is just not big enough. So I'm gonna have to build that out and mount it there, and we'll lose some storage space unfortunately. The freshwater one I can do there, and then the pump and the strainer for this I'm gonna do over here. That's my inlet for the air conditioner and the water maker. My plan is to actually make this a bigger hose eventually and a bigger through hole. The manual would have you make it really easy. So the manual has it like this. So you've got coming from the pump into there, and then you've got fresh water coming in here, and then out of here you've got your water going to the pump inlet, and it's also pressurizing how much pressure's coming off this. And then this is going out to here. There's two hoses that you have to connect up here. I don't want to see if you can see that little white one. That is just a compression fitting in there, similar, very plasticky, it's not high pressure. And then that it all comes back to, we've got the different panel. So that's fairly straightforward. It's this part at the moment that I'm having the problem with. This part and this part I think are going to be relatively easy once I've figured out how to do all of this. I should have bought that really, because then that would have gone straight into it. But you've also got to mount the pump lower than the water, so we shall see. So I've got a tee off coming off this seacock, because that normally supplies the air conditioner. That's going to go down into this strainer. When it comes out, goes into this pump. Pump comes out here, runs down under here, comes up through this check valve. Freshwater one's going to come in here. I'm going to actually bring it over the top here from the freshwater filter. Then from this filter, it's going to go to the main pump. Then from the main pump, it's going to come to the end here. I'm going to put two loops in the back there, and then it's going to come out of here, go into the panel, which will do all of the switching. We just need to get it in so that we can use it. Control panel. Mainly because this thing sticks out so far and I'm worried of. I'm just in the process of wiring that in. I'm having to put the control panel down here eventually. It's actually going to go up there, but we're not going to do that right now. We're running out of time. We just need to get it in. There's the 12 volt and there is the 110 for both pumps, this one, and then the 12 volts over there. And then you can control the gauges. You can see what water's doing, and the 110. I'm just in the process of wiring everything up. I've grounded this, but apart from that, it's going. We've got, let's see if I'll see that, connections in. I had to make a slight change on this end. I've had to put these slip-on compression joints because otherwise it was going to be too long. They can only go as far as the piece of wood that it's mounted on.
When you started this a while ago, I couldn't